Go.
Hi, my name is Addison Pooley and I'm doing a speech on environmental issues. I was 16 years old when I realized our environment was dying. The place we call home is becoming simply not sustainable enough for humanity because what we have done to it over the past few decades. As a human, we have done things as simple as missing the trash can and being too lazy to pick it up, or even such things as driving a gas car that have ruined our chances of our children seeing a well and live wood air. Now, I am not no Greta Thunberg, but even I can see that it's getting a little too hot in the summer. There's more trash on the beach than there is sand, and that we are losing the most well-known animals to extinction. However, this issue has been long overdue to fix and may not even be able to be fixed, but the question still stands at how we are fixing it and what we can do to fix it. First, let me explain some things that may have crossed your social media feeds or even your ears as they are such popular dynamics. It is needless to say that we've been struggling with our environment for quite a while now, but in my opinion, the most important issue lies with our oceans. Our oceans cover about 71% of our beloved Earth, but have been polluted with trash that we have accumulated over the decades. Our sea life friends in the ocean are having trouble surviving from the pollution that is infecting their homes. Nevertheless, some things are out of our control, like hurricanes, stormwater discharge, and tsunamis. But things that pollute our oceans that are in our control are littering and poor practices of waste management, etc. Sea life is not the only thing struggling in our environment now. Our land biomes are struggling due to global warming and climate change. Now, I'm sure a lot of you have heard of global warming and climate change and its side effects. The biomes that seem to be struggling the most are the mountain and Arctic systems. Because of global warming, the colder climates are taking a huge hit on their systems and their wildlife. This causes the climate to shift and disappear, which results in animals dying due to starvation and body temperature. This goes without saying that other biomes are struggling as well. From Yale Environment 360, it is said that forests and tundras are struggling due to climate change. The plants are suffering from air temperature, the animals are at an increasing rate of extinction and because of water availability, and so on. These struggles in these areas are quite abrupt. The last thing I must mention about this topic is that we cannot stop climate change. The reason that the climate is changing is because that is just how the Earth evolves and continues to do so. The upside is that the climate change can be slowed by lowering carbon levels that humans use. The simple solution is to save energy at home, eat vegetables, throw away less food, use public transportation, etc. The throwaway less food is especially interesting to me because because it seems to be an ever-lying issue in our world. The gases that come from landfill pollute our atmosphere and basically promotes global warming, which makes humans' time here on Earth go by faster than we thought. Another way I like to put it is the greenhouse effect. The definition pulled from Google is that greenhouse effect is the trapping of the sun's warmth in the planet's lower area of the atmosphere due to greater area of transparency of the atmosphere to visible radiation of the sun. This basically means that the accumulated gases that we have released into the atmosphere over the past 200 years we have polluted it so much that the heat from the sun is trapped down here with us. In addition to that, we did not create this issue. It happened for many different reasons, like human involvement and other things like basic presence of H2O. Like basic presence of CO2 and methane. The greenhouse issue can be fixed by composting your fruits and vegetables and by using less gas-powered things. The environmental issues have been long overdue to fix. They may not even be able to be fixed, but the question is answered to what we're fixing and how we can fix it. Our polluted ocean and waste disposal issues have become a huge problem due to our pollution, but can be fixed by composting more and disposing foods less. There's not much we can do for climate change but slow it down. The best way we can do that is by saving energy, eating vegetables, by using public transportation, and the best way we can do overall for our environment issues is to treat our climate with the respect that it deserves so that we can continue down the path of human evolvement.